So let's play the rumor mill game. This one involving Eli Tomac and KTM. Obviously, KTM does not have two riders signed right now. They extended the contract with Aaron Plessinger for next year, but they don't have the title contender ride. Let's be honest here, Plessinger is not going to be winning a 450 title anytime soon. But they have another ride open. They have another seat open, and they're definitely going to want that guy being a main manufacturer to be up in the title fight, going for wins, going for podiums and championship contention. And well, it sounds the more I look into this, I saw one person talk about it. I was like, that's funny. It's a joke. I saw another person talk about it. I was like, okay, well, it's kind of funny. Now, the more you look into this, I'm seeing multiple things over and over and over. And again, all rumor mill, but it's funny. It's, we're getting closer to the quote unquote silly season, going into outdoors. Who knows? He's not signed with Star for next year. So who knows there? Obviously, the main rumor is that Chase Sexton is going to Kawasaki next year. That again is still a rumor because we don't have anything confirmed about that. But if KTM goes out and gets Eli Tomac, they sign him to a 1 year, 2 year deal, whatever it is, and get that push for him to get another title on a different bike. It's going to be big. Now, obviously, I've seen a bunch of people say, "Oh, he wouldn't go there because they run a different suspension than he likes, and he wouldn't go there because they run a different clutch than he likes." If you're one of the best riders in the class, in the world, technically, I'm assuming you can figure out a suspension. You can figure out a different clutch. May not be exactly what you want, but if a team's going to pay you factory money, do you really want to say, no, sorry, you don't have the right clutch that I don't want or like? I don't know. This is, again, all conjecture. It's all funny talk until we know something for sure. But with Chase Sexton now, as I'm recording this, having lost the championship, who knows? We might hear something about where he's going soon. We're going in outdoors. Contracts are going to start being signed. People are going to start moving. And if Tomac does end up going over to KTM, it's going to be big. I mean, obviously, Yamaha's not at a lack of riders, let's put it that way, with Cooper and Cooper Webb and Justin Cooper, and also Deegan moving up, in a couple years. They have a ton of people riding, so this is purely just for the fact of it's fun to talk about. Who knows? Silly season coming. You never know if this is 100% wrong, 75% true. It's just kind of something fun to talk about, and that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Would you think it'd be a good move? Would you want to see him there? Do you think he should just stay at Yamaha until he retires? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.